how to buy Dat Boi token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And before going to buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token, it's available on the screener. And to be able to buy this token, just go and copy the token address from here. And remember, this token address is under the Ethereum network. Now open your wallet. For that, I will use the Bitget wallet. First, I will log into my wallet like this. Now after that, select the Ethereum network from here and click on this plus icon. Paste the token address here to be able to add it to your wallet. Now click on this plus icon. Go back to your wallet to find your token that you just added. So this is our token, Dat Boi. Click on it. Now here click on swap, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, but make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet to be able to buy this token. Now after that, type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds to be able to see how much you receive. Now after that, as you can see, this is how much you receive out of the token if you want to buy $1,000. After that, click on buy now and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Dat Boi token. If you find it very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.